Today, I will be showing you the 3 easiest ways to cut in SelfCad 3D editor.
The first way to cut would be to remove a whole side of an object. You can do this by selecting the face of the object on the right side of the screen. After selecting the face you would like to remove, all you have to do is delete the face by highlighting it and pressing the delete button. Keep in mind that when you remove a face, you will need to add thickness to the 3D shape. The next way to cut an object is to use the 3D drawing option. With this option you can remove a portion of a plane. In the top menu select drawing and then 3D sketch. As you can see I have chosen to cut out a circle from this plane. Once you draw the shape you would like to cut out, select both the drawing and the plane, and in the top menu go to modify and then select cut with profile. Once that is complete, you will need to go over to the box in the right menu and select face again. Now you will be able to click the center of the circle and highlight all of the interior parts. Once everything in the interior of the circle is highlighted, you can hit the delete button, and you now have a cut in the object. The last way to cut is used on objects with many faces like this sphere I have selected. Once you have the sphere on the workspace, use your right click to highlight the portion of the sphere you would like to remove. It's okay if all the faces don't get selected with the highlight. You can go over and select each one manually until you have the desired cut. Once you have the portion you have selected highlighted, all you need to do is hit the delete button, and it will remove the portion of the sphere. As stated before, when you cut an object, you will need to add thickness. You can do this by selecting Modify in the top menu, then on the left menu, select how thick you want the walls to be. Now that you have a bowl shape, if you want to remove more, you can select side faces and delete them the same way by highlighting them and hitting the delete button. When adding the thickness, you have added another layer, so you will also need to delete the inside layer's faces. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Like and subscribe to my channel for more SelfCAD design and 3D printing content. Thank you and happy printing.